How to create account of Signal. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create the account of Signal. So creating an account on Signal is simple. Here are a process how you can do that. First of all, you have to open up your Google Play Store for your Android device. And after that, you have to just go for your Play Store and write the Signal app here and go and install the Signal private messenger app on your device. Once you have downloaded the Signal app on your device, just go and open up your Signal app. So here you can see that. After that, you have to tap on the continue and accept the terms and policy and just go for the next option and allow. And you have to enter your phone number here and you have to select your country region here. And you have to write your phone number. Once you have write your phone number, you have to just tap on the continue option and go for the OK option here. And the verification code will be sent to your number. And here you can see that you have to enter your PIN. Also, you can skip the PIN here and tap on the continue option. And you have to grant the permissions to Signal may request permission for contact storage, etc. You have to grant the necessary permission for functionality. And you have to follow the on-screen instructions. So that's it. You are all set up to use your Signal securely. So this is the process how you can create your Signal account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.